Chappy here at 7K Distillery to show you a lovely cocktail, which I'm sure everybody knows. The Espresso Martini, made much easier by these cute little guys. Look at them. You can take them on a plane. Well, domestically in Australia. First thing we're using, 30 mils of our 7K Modern Tasmanian Vodka. Then we have some of our Coffee Liqueur that we've made in collaboration with the guys at Zimmer Coffee. Great guys to work with. We use their single origin coffees exclusively in our Coffee Liqueur. So we have 30 mils of our Coffee Liqueur. It takes over 2 months to make each batch. We essentially get a bunch of lovely single origin Zimmer coffee all ground up, and we soak in a high proof version of our vodka here. Make another lovely cold brew batch, balance them out, add a touch of sugar, and this is what you get. And we have it to add just a touch of sugar, 20 mils of sugar syrup. And we can't forget more coffee, because what's an espresso martini without espresso? So we got 30 mils of that. Now we get to shake this lovely beast. We add our ice into the shaker and give it a whirl. There we go. See how the shaker's nice and frosty here? It's pretty much ready. And so we strain, double strain. Lovely cocktail. Just like so. And for its little garnish, for some reason it has to be 3 coffee beans, otherwise it's not right. Don't blame me, blame the cocktail gods. There we go. Look at that. So velvety smooth. It's almost like a Guinness. Chappy's favorite drink. Well, this is for you, and most definitely for me. After I drink this, I'm not going to sleep. Lots of caffeine.